Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, sir. So we are group number one. The topic that we have chosen is total return swaps, and the purpose of recording this video is we are coming out with a new idea that along with whatever the PDF that we have sent, we wanted to present it in a video so that you can get the clarity more better, and it would take less time to evaluate. So as first thing that we have done in our report is we have tried explaining what is total return swap. So let's say there is a person X and he owns a stock of Reliance Industries, and his view for short term is that Reliance Industry is not going to perform well in near future, that is 1 year, 2 year or 3 year. But for long term he or she believes that this is going to give a very good return. Now there is a hedge fund which wants to own stock of Reliance Industry. So this person who has a view of the fact that Reliance Industry is not going to perform in next 2 years or 3 years, he will go to hedge fund and he will struck a deal where the hedge fund will agree to pay 8% of whatever the capital or whatever the value of Reliance Industry today. And the other thing that hedge fund will have to give is whatever the depreciation in value of the Reliance Industry will happen, that has to be compensated by the hedge fund. Now the question arises, what hedge fund will get? So the hedge fund will get the return that Reliance Industry is going to give for next 2 years or 3 years. Let's say this deal is for next 3 years. So in next 3 years, every year the hedge fund will pay 8% plus it will pay the capital depreciation that is happening, if it is happening. Now, what is the benefit that hedge fund will get? Is that whatever the return, if it gives return, that return will go straight forward to the hedge fund. Now, what's the advantage of this total return swap for person X? So the first advantage that he has is now he is going to get a assured return of 8% plus his capital is getting preserved. Means the value of the capital will not depreciate, because if it depreciates it will get compensated by the hedge fund, plus it will get a fixed return of 8%, which is a handsome deal for person X, because he has a view that next 3 years it is not going to be good for Reliance Industry. Now the question arises, if this is the thing, then why hedge fund is doing this deal? So the hedge fund is doing this deal because first thing, the hedge fund might have a view that okay, Reliance Industry will perform well. The second view that hedge fund will have or hedge fund will get is that the something called as leverage. So what is going to happen? Let's say the Reliance Industry is going to give a return of 12% in a year. Let's say. So if the Reliance Industry is giving a return of 12%, so and let's say the capital amount is 100 crore, it means the hedge fund has agreed to pay 8%, that is 8 crore, and they are getting 12 crore. So their risk was 8 crore, but their return is 12 crore, which is 150% of their risk. So risk to reward for the hedge fund is very good, and they can go and they can start the deal. Now, this was the overall description of the total return swap. Now this instrument has been used by one of the company which we have taken is Vodafone PLC. So as we know that Vodafone and Idea came together in India to counter whatever was happening in the telecom industry, and to counter a giant Reliance Jio which came and which was impacting the business of Vodafone and Idea. When Vodafone and Idea came to the business, many analysts or many brokerage firm came out with the report that okay, they are going to survive and they will survive with survive with a very good revenue in future, and hence profitability and everything was there, and because of that they have initiated what we call as buy report, where they have recommended their customers to buy the stock of Idea and Vodafone. But what happened? All of a sudden Supreme Court came out with an order on AGR. As we know that AGR issue was pending for past 10 years, and because of that these two or three existing players like that of Idea, Airtel and Tata Communication and other companies had had to pay had to pay because of the order of Supreme Court. So, and they have to pay in thousands of crores. So if I am not wrong, the Vodafone Idea had to pay more than 50,000 crore under this order. And because of that, the whole business of Vodafone Idea got impacted hugely, and its competitor, that is Reliance Jio, came out with a flying color, and because of that their customer went. Now their profitability is very low, revenue is very low, and they are struggling to just manage their working capital, because they have huge, what we can say, fixed capital. Now the Vodafone PLC, which is a foreign parent company of this whole venture, has come out with the idea of something called as total return swap. So here what they have proposed is they are going to raise $1.5 billion from the banks, from the foreign banks. Now in lieu of this 1.5 billion, they have proposed to give whatever the cash flow that is going to come from the Vodafone Idea, and this 1.5 billion will not be in the book of Vodafone PLC, which is a parent company. It will be on the book of some other orphan company, which will be formed by Vodafone PLC. Now what the Vodafone is getting money, and plus the rate of return that they are going to give to the bank is not fixed, because they have sold the cash flow which is going to come from the Indian business. Now the good thing about this deal for Vodafone is their main book or main balance sheet will not contain this 1.5 billion what I can say 1.5 billion loan, and hence the debt part will not be appearing there, rather it will be appearing in the book of something else. Now again, the advantage and disadvantages that bank will have is, what if this whole story turns around again and Vodafone Idea start getting profit on larger scale, and because of that whatever the outflow that will come from the India or Indian business will go to those banks. So that is the benefit that banks will get, and obviously it has a darker side that they may lose their money. So that's all. Thank you.